I got my book now, so I'm just gonna go head off to bed. Okay, Grandma. You have a nice sleep. Okay then, you're gonna go to bed soon? Yeah, I'm pretty much done here. Okay, we shut the lights before you go to bed? Yeah, I'll shut up the lights before I go to bed. Okay. Good night, honey. Good night, Grandma. Hmm. Oh, Boozhoo, you still here? Just gonna go to bed. Just gonna get some sleep. Hmm. I gotta shut this light. Well, okay, you guys, I gotta go to bed. I gotta go to sleep. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Hmm. It's been really fun. Did you have fun? Yeah, I had fun. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna do any more videos for a little while. So I'm just gonna say, mino dibik-giizis. Mino dibik-giizis. I don't even know what I'm saying. I just said, good moon. See, I've done too many of these. Mino dibik-gad. Mino dibik-gad. Good night. I'm gonna go to sleep now.